Welcome back to another video, everyone. This video is going to be all about how bad my Wealthsimple portfolio is doing and what I plan on doing about it. If you have a Wealthsimple portfolio and feel the same way as I do, then leave a comment down below on how bad your account is doing as well. I'm really curious on how people feel about Wealthsimple now. And as always, press the like button and subscribe to the channel down below for more videos. Now, let's cut straight to the point. My Wealthsimple portfolio is down more than 11%, and it really doesn't look like it's getting better anytime soon. And you and I both know exactly why that is. It's all because of this global pandemic that's apparently shutting down the entire world. It kind of feels like that. So back in March 2019, when I first started investing and I opened this Wealthsimple TFSA, I didn't really know what to expect because all I heard about Wealthsimple was how cool their technology was. So I decided to open up a TFSA and I set my risk level to a level 5, which is considered a balanced portfolio based on Wealthsimple's risk levels. And then I decided to invest $1,000, which is right over here. I contributed $1,000 into my Wealthsimple TFSA, and I ended up seeing some small returns here and there. So I decided to actually contribute another $3,000 by the middle of September. So now my total is at about $4,000. I even went from a level 5 risk to a level 8 risk, which I'll show you right over here. As you guys can see, there's a level 8 risk, which means that I went from a balanced portfolio that I initially started off with, and I changed it to a level 8, which is considered a growth portfolio. This all happened in the middle of September, so that's maybe about 6 or 6.5 months where I changed my risk and I contributed some more money just so I can see what would happen with my Wealthsimple portfolio. Then I started to see some better returns more consistently. At one point, I was actually even up more than $300 in the middle of February, and I'll show you that right over here. See, I was up more than $300. So at that point, I was like, okay, maybe Wealthsimple is actually doing something really good here. I mean, I know I'm not going to be rich just because I made $300, but it was a bit of an unusual investment for me. So it felt a lot better to make money than lose it, obviously. And then this happened. The entire world is going crazy and everyone's so confused about this global pandemic stuff. I mean, I can't lie. In the beginning, I was like, okay, these are normal fluctuations that are gonna happen. But then the numbers just kept getting deeper and deeper into the negatives. So that's when I started to get a little bit nervous about Wealthsimple, because now I'm thinking, how in the world is Wealthsimple going to recover from this crash? I mean, look at this over here. The Wealthsimple TFSA is crashing and I'm not exactly sure how they're going to recover. I mean, if you were to invest in something like, I don't know, Apple or Walmart or Procter & Gamble, you can have pretty decent confidence in terms of them recovering from this market crash. But with Wealthsimple, I'm not exactly too sure. Then I got this email from Wealthsimple. It reminded me not to really panic with what's going around the world and keep thinking long term. Everyone's financial goals and decisions are so different. So I realized that when I signed up for this TFSA with Wealthsimple, my goal was just to let some money sit in the TFSA and hopefully watch it grow over the years using Wealthsimple's technology with literally no expectations. It's a tax-free savings account. So I know that all the money I will make will go straight into my pocket. And I mean, don't forget, that's if I make money with Wealthsimple. That email made me look back at my TFSA and it was almost like a slap in the face. After seeing the markets go up and up for such a long time, it's a nice reminder that there's always going to be volatility in the market due to so many things, just like pandemics, just like this, or some political issues, or somebody tweeted something. Anything can happen to make the market go crazy and make us investors go through a roller coaster ride. At the end of the day, the goal is just to sit tight and enjoy the show. I'm not really interested in putting money into the market just yet, in my opinion, but I'm not gonna take money out either. I'm just gonna sit tight, and be patient to see what happens with this global pandemic for now, because no one knows how good or bad this is gonna get. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I figured I might just share my experience with what's going on with such a volatile market. Let me know how you guys are feeling about your portfolios right now. And once again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.